morning, everyone, and welcome to today's interactive seminar on utilization of digital AI application in improving English speaking skills for junior high school level. Please give applause. My name is Nashwa Hamida, and I will be your moderator for today's discussion. Before we begin, I would like to take a moment to introduce our esteemed speakers. For the first speaker is Hanifa Afatunisa Hussein. And the second speaker is Irfan Ariel Oriega Nenggolan, who will share their insight and expertise on utilization of digital AI application in improving English speaking skills for junior high school level. Okay, throughout this webinar, we will have ample opportunities for Q&A. I encourage everyone to participate actively and share their thoughts and experiences. Let's get started. Our speakers will begin with a brief presentation by Hanifa Afartunisa Hussein. For the plus and time, it's yours.
Okay, thank you for moderator. So, good morning, everyone. It is truly a pleasure to welcome all of you today's seminar on topic that is both timely and transformative: the utilization of digital AI application in improving English speaking skill for junior high school level. In an age where technology is developing at lightning speed, we are witness remarkable change in the way students learn, especially in language education. Artificial intelligence, once a distant concept, is now at the heart of many innovative tools that support language acquisition, from virtual conversation partner to real-time pronunciation and then feedback. AI is breaking down barriers and creating exciting new pathways for students to develop their English speaking skill. And then today we will explore how these digital AI applications are not only making English learning more engaging, but also more personalized and effective for junior high school students. Okay, the next slide is we have a background. Um, Important of English language skill in today's world. In today's interconnected and globalized world, English language skill have become an essential component of personal, academic, and professional success. As the world's most widely spoken second language, English acts as a bridge for a communication across the borders and enabling individuals to access a broader range of opportunities and resources. From international trade and diplomacy to entertainment and academia, English plays a pivotal role in facilitating cross-cultural communication and engagement. So English language competency is frequently required of those pursuing higher education. English is the primary language of instruction at most universities and other academic institutions across the world to make sure kids are prepared to traverse international education system. This is a requirement has resulted in a boom in English language learning programs, many of which start in early childhood schooling. So, English is widely used as the major business language by international corporation, demonstrating its comparable importance in the workplace. Okay, next we have a research question. So, the research question is: how do digital AI applications support the development of English speaking skill among junior high school students? And what are the perceived benefit and limitation by students and the teacher? And then the second question is: which digital AI application are perceived as most effective by junior high school student and teacher in enhancing students' speaking skill, and what the features contribute to their effectiveness. And the last is this is the impact of using digital AI application on students fluently. Pronunciation, vocabulary usage, and the confidence in English speaking as perceived by the learners themselves. Okay, next is we have objective. So the objective is the first. To explore the potential of digital AI application in improving English speaking skill, is the first objective of the study into is to explore the potential benefit and limitation of using digital AI application to enhance English speaking skill. This is include examining how AI tools can assist in providing students with personalized language practice and adapting to their individual learning needs. And the second is we have to identify the most effective digital AI application for junior high school students. The second objective focuses on identifying which AI application are most effective in improving English speaking skill for junior high school students. Not all AI tools are created equal, and some may offer more tailored, better, or better pedagogical design than others. And then the third is to investigate the impact of digital AI application on English speaking skill. The final objective to the study is to investigate the actual impact of digital AI application on the speaking skill of junior high school students. And then we have we have a literature review. um, Artificial intelligence or AI application are currently utilized in various fields, including language education. Speaking has become a skill that is considered complex for a student. By utilizing AI application in teaching, speaking students are expected to better assist. And then the purpose of the research is to understand the perception problems and the alternative expected by students regarding the use of AI in speaking listen. By Susiati S. Feriadi Mujionto Proceeding Seminar Nasional Pasca Sarjana 2023. And then the other one is overview of English language learning and speaking skill, the process of acquiring English language proficiency, encompasses four main skill: listening, speaking, reading, and writing by Veslinov and Gricho 2012. Okay, I think that's from me. And then the next will be presented by my partner is Irfan. Irfan, the time is yours.
Okay, thank you for my partner. So the next part is methodology. The first, research design. So the research design for this study is experimental, aimed at investigating the effectiveness of digital AI application in improving English speaking skills among junior high school students. An experimental design was chosen because it allows for the direct manipulation of variables, such as the use of AI-powered language learning tools to determine their impact on the dependent variable, which is, in this case, is the improvement in student English speaking skills. And the experimental design was chosen over a quasi-experimental approach because it enables a higher degree of control over confounding variables and allows for clearer causal inference. In this study, students were randomly assigned to either the experimental group, which used digital AI applications for language learning, or the control group, which did the have access to these tools and continue with traditional classroom-based instruction. This random assignment ensures that the groups are comparable at the outset, thereby reducing selection bias. By using an experimental design, the study aims to assess whether the AI application specifically contributed to improvement in speaking skills, rather than other factors such as teacher effectiveness or peer influence. This allows for a more precise measurement of the impact of AI tools on the learning outcomes of the students. And additionally, pre and post test assessment of student speaking skills will be used to measure the effect of the intervention over time, providing valuable data and extent to which these digital tools can improve language acquisition. The next is data collection. So, to gather qualitative data on the students' experiences with the AI-powered language learning tools, interviews were conducted at the conclusion of the study. These interviews provided by valuable insights into the participants' perceptions of the tools and their learning process and their overall satisfaction with the intervention. Next slide, please. Okay, so for the next we have result. Okay, first, the study found that digital AI applications are widely recognized by both students and teachers as having a significant role in enhancing the development of English speaking skills at the junior high school level. Most students expressed that AI-based application provided them with flexible, engaging, and interactive platforms to practice speaking outside the traditional classroom setting. Applications such as Elsa Speak, Duolingo allowed them to practice pronunciation, vocabulary, and sentence construction in ways that felt less intimidating than speaking in front of classmates. And students particularly value the instant feedback over by AI tools, which help them recognize errors in pronunciation and grammar. This feedback, they said, encouraged them to self-correct and improve their awareness of spoken English pattern. One student mentioned that he likes how Elsa tells his if uh, he say the word correctly or not. It helps him learn how to say words like a native speaker. In addition, students appreciated the adaptive learning system, where the application adjusts difficulty level based on their performance. The second, the study identifies several digital AI applications used by students and teachers, including Elsa Speak, Duolingo, Google Assistant, Uglish, and many others. Among these, Elsa Speak and Duolingo emerged as the most preferred and effective tools according to the perception of both groups. Elsa Speak was frequently cited for its pronunciation training system, which used speech recognition technology to analyze the user's spoken output and provide target feedback. Many students said that they like how Elsa gave them a percentage score, highlighted problem sounds, and allow for repetition until they improve. One student shared, Elsa makes me repeat the word many times until I get it right. It's like having a private English coach app. Okay, the third, the features most commonly associated with the qualitative data collected through interviews and observation reveal that the use of digital AI application had a notable positive impact on various aspects of students' English speaking abilities. Many students report improvement in fluency, stating that consistent practice with application allowed them to speak more smoothly and with fewer fails. This was particularly true for students who use the application at least 3 until 4 times per week. A common pattern was that students began using short phrases and eventually progressed to speaking full sentences more confidently. As one student noted, before I used the app, I couldn't speak English well. Now I can make sentences more easily and speak faster. He said like that. In terms of pronunciation, students praise apps like Elsa Speak for helping them recognize and correct their mistakes. They become more aware of intonation, stress patterns, and difficult sounds. Teachers also notice an improvement in classroom speaking activities, and students demonstrated clearer articulation and better sound accuracy after using these tools. Okay, I think that's all for me. Thank you. I give it back to the moderator.
Okay, thank you for Irfan for the materials. The next session is a Q&A, followed by a Q&A session where you will have the chance to engage with fellow attendants and explore K topic in more depth. Please feel free to ask questions. If you have a question, please raise your hand. Okay, Raffi Arrahman, I will collect the question. And for Raffi Arrahman, what do you want to ask?
All right, thank you, moderator. So I would like to ask a question. How do students and teachers perceive the role of AI applications in improving spoken English skills at the junior high school level? Okay, thank you.
Okay, thank you, Raffi Arrahman. And one more question for last question. Okay, Dian Anjali, what do you want to ask?
Okay, thank you, moderator. I would like to ask which AI applications are most valued and what specific features contribute to their effectiveness. Thank you.
Okay, thank you for Dian. Thank you for asking the speaker. And the speaker will be answer your question. Time is yours.
Okay, thank you for asking us. That's a good question. So I will answer the first question from Rafi Arahman. So the question is, how do students and teacher perceive the role of AI application in improving spoken English skill at junior high school level? So the student and the teacher widely recognize that AI-based tools play a critical role in changing English speaking skills. So the student appreciate how apps like Elsa Speak and Duolingo offer flexible, engaging, and interactive practice outside the classroom. So making speaking less classroom intimidating than performing in front of peers or in front of a class. Key benefit including instant pronunciation and a grammar feedback. So adaptive learning that tailors difficulty level and a safe autonomous environment that builds confidence, especially among shy or lower achievers. So the teacher observed that these tools complement the classroom instruction by offering personalized, pressure-free practice. So they acknowledge limitation in cultural nuance and some feedback accuracy. I think that's it. Is it clear, Rafi?
Yes, thank you. That's a very good answer.
Okay, you're welcome. Okay, I will back to moderate and for the next answer question.
Okay, thank you for Hanifa Fortunisa Hussein. And the next question will be answered by Irfan Nenggolan.
That highlights problematic sounds, give accuracy scores, and encourage repetition until mastery. A student comment, Elsa makes me repeat the word many times until I get it right. It's like having a private English coach. And then Duolingo. Duolingo stands out for its gamified approach, points, daily goals, short modules, which is that makes learning engaging and stress-free. Though its speech feedback is less sophisticated and it effectively supports vocabulary and sentence building through repetition. Thank you. Give it back to the moderator.
Okay, okay, thank you, Irfan, for the answer, for your answer. And thanks all. Thanks for your participation in Infoable to making this seminar a success. Without further ado, let's give a warm welcome to our speakers. Over to you, Irfan, Ariel Oregan Enggolan, and Hanifa Fortunisa Hussein. Okay, maybe until here. And see you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Wassalamualaikum